Market Research and American Business, 1935 to 1965, provides access to the research reports and supporting documents of Ernest Dichter, the mid-20th century's foremost consumer analyst and market research pioneer. It offers insights into the consumer boom of the era, as well as social and political thinking of the time. You can move through the collection using the main navigation menu at the top of the page. Browse to the primary sources using the Documents link. You can filter this list to find relevant material. Click on a title to be taken to the document. The document page gives you contextual information. Use the search bar to find keywords within the document itself, or click a thumbnail to be taken to the original images. The Search Directories button provides a link to the most common keywords, companies, and brands. Click one to be taken to a list of relevant documents. The Advanced Search allows you to search in specific fields, the full text of all the documents, or apply filters to your searches. The site also contains additional features that provide background and context for the documents. These include information on featured industries, a timeline of relevant events, academic essays, and a gallery of adverts from the era. All of these can be found on the main navigation menu. You can find Market Research and American Business on the A to Z databases list on your library web pages.